Hi! So we have styled a total of 17 outfits. Now I'm just about to jump on a Instagram live. Finish it. I don't know if you can even tell how big the bow is. So it is Sunday. I'm in the studio. I just made coffee. Grab some coffee now. We are like 8 days away from everything. I'm starting to get so stressed. I do not have models confirmed for the show. I do not have lighting confirmed for the show. I still need to send loads of invites to people I would like to be there. Basically, I'm not as far along as I thought I would be. I also, tomorrow I'm doing something really exciting. I've been asked back to the college that I went to, the National College of Art and Design, to come and speak to first years there about textiles. In that college, it's also called NCAD. You do like a first year and then you do then you specialize more. So in your first year, when you're kind of coming in at age 18, you try loads of different subjects within fine art and design, and then you choose what you would like to specialize in. So there's design and fine art, and design is way more industry focused, getting you ready for careers like that. And then fine art is obviously way more painting and conceptual and making artwork. But I specialized in printed textiles. I actually wanted to do fashion, but I ended up, my tutors kind of told me that my work was speaking more about textiles and fabric design, and I ended up going that avenue and then figuring out how to get into fashion a different way. Yeah, I've been asked to come and speak to first years who are trying to decide what subject to do, and kind of just do a little presentation and a talk to them. So I need to get stuff ready for that this evening, and that will be tomorrow. So I don't have a full day in the studio tomorrow. Tomorrow I want all my emails out for anyone that's being invited to go out. Today I actually finished a dress for Amy Michelle, see that lavender one in the background, who is performing at the show. So that's finished. And then I realised I don't have anything to wear. So I came in yesterday and I started working on a top, which I'm just making the collar for now. And I wanted it to be in the same kind of style as the new collection, but I don't have any plain fabrics left. And then I thought, I have all these beautiful fabrics. If you've watched any of my Vegas videos when I was away there at the start of the year, I got all these gorgeous fabrics. So I've actually used them to make this top. So it's a really special piece. There's two collars. There's one side of the collar and then there's the other side, and then there's kind of a ruffly middle part to it. So yeah, I'm just going to get that top finished today. That's my plan. So I'm going to try not to get any coffee on this as I go, and we're going to get the other side of the collar made and get that top finished as fast as we can. Ooh. Okay, I'm going to check back in a bit. Good morning. It is Monday, I think. Yeah, it's Monday. And I am just out. I'm on my way to NCAD, which is a college that I went to in Ireland, National College of Art and Design, and I have been asked to come and kind of do like a guest spot to help first years choose what they're doing. So I'm just on my way now. I haven't been back since I studied there, so it's going to be pretty wild. Here it is. It's really old part of Dublin with all the cobblestone.
In order for you to reach that promised land, most other candidates, and I think Kamala Harris,
gotten a video.
So is that what you do it on, Aisling? You're like Canon.
Yeah, this is Shannon Healy, is it?
Yeah, Shannon Healy, Green Gal.
Green Gal. You can get her at Green Gal on Instagram and TikTok, isn't it?
Yeah.
And Shannon's just come in and picked something she's going to wear to the press launch on Tuesday.
Sneak preview, but I'm showing you everything because it's so beautiful.
Sneak, but not a sneak.
Gorgeous.
Yeah. Full preview of what I'll be wearing.
Amazing. I'll get some images as well on the day of you. It's so
wait.
cute.
I can't wait. I'm honoured to be wearing such a beautiful piece.
Thanks. Thanks, Shannon.
Oh wow.
Hi, Amy.
Hi. So we have styled a total of 17 outfits, all in the most amazing Aisling Duffy creations. I can't wait to put them all together, and I'm really matching in. I'm like blending in with the whole the whole place. So look, magic is happening right now.
Oh my god, Amy's been amazing, just like coming in and helping me style everything,
It's
get my head around
Been
it.
a dream. So thank you, Aisling.
Ah!
Thank you.
Well, we'll
See you
see you again
Tuesday.
behind the scenes on Tuesday. Thanks, Amy. And I'll leave Amy's Instagram and all her website and everything linked below so you can check her out because she's also an amazing
Yay.
vintage seller and styler.
Yay. Thank you, Aisling.
Okay, see you
You're
soon.
so good.
Okay, so it's quite late and I have just kind of decided on all the outfits. I don't even know if I've shown you this yet. I will show you in a second. But now I'm just going to get everything separated and put into like separate garment bags so that we know on the day what's with what. So I'm going to get that done now. The lighting is probably not great because it is quite dark outside. But I made this top. I don't think I showed you. But this top I made because I didn't have anything to wear, I realized. So I was like, okay, I have to make something that I can wear on the day. So that is that. And I'm going to layer it with that like tulle skirt that I have there. Yes. And everything else I'm going to get all separated and ready to go for the show. So that is my plan for now. So it is the next day and everything has been divided into the outfits, so that is ready to go. So happy to get that done. Yeah, I was in quite late last night trying to get that finished. And now, might get another cushion. Now I'm just about to jump on an Instagram live. Actually, maybe my hair looks better up, does it? With Jenny McGinn, who is like leading the panel discussion on my fashion day next Tuesday, and she asked me to come and do like this live that kind of talking about careers. So I'm going to do that now on Instagram Live. Instagram Live never goes well for me, so I'm hoping we can figure out where I can get this to work. I'm wearing this beautiful Orla Kylie shirt. Orla Kylie Fashion doesn't really exist as a brand anymore, but this is so pretty. Neck scarf, usual jewellery. So yeah, I'm gonna get on the call now and I will catch you up on everything that I'm working on and everything like that after. So catch up a bit. So the call ended a while ago, went really well. It was like an Instagram live, and now I've just been sitting doing emails. Like, one thing that I really noticed doing this is that I have to be on my laptop a lot. There's a lot of, it's basically like project management. There's a lot, or events management, events producing. So much back and forth, especially like now, because it is Friday, everything starts Monday. Like, everything needs to be done, finalized, finished. So I've just been sitting here since the call finished an hour and a half ago, just literally email. I've like started to write a list. I literally have to have a list to know what I've done, what I haven't done, otherwise I'll completely forget. So that's just what I'm doing now. Nothing else to report. When I've finished, I might have a chat with you again. But yeah, very boring at the moment. It is Saturday. I'm just in the studio and I made this huge bow last night. See, I need to properly secure it. But I think you can kind of get the idea. It's like a huge bow, which I really wanted to make, so I just need to figure out how to like get it all secured. But I am really happy with it, so I'm going to finish that and get that finished. So I'm going to get that finished now and secured so this part doesn't like fall out, and then I'll get back to you. I can't believe I've actually managed to make this and finish it. I don't know if you can even tell how big the bow is, but it's huge. Very weighty, so I'm going to put some handles at the back. I've got one here. I think I'll put another one here just to distribute the weight. So I'm going to make those handles now.